Hello friends, welcome to my channel chemistry.com. This video is the extension of my previous video, that is crystallography part 5 video. In the previous video I calculate the packing fraction of the simple system, that is simple cubic system, FCC and BCC lattice system. In this video I will calculate the packing fraction of complicated one, that is the packing fraction of the diamond crystal structure. To calculate it, at first we have to know what is the structure of a diamond crystal system. Now this is a cubic crystal cubic unit cell. In case of diamond crystal structure, basically it is a FCC lattice, that is the green colored points are in the corner position, the blue colored point in the face center position. Both points are, or both two atoms, that is what is denoted by green color, and the blue color are same, that is carbon atom, but I use two color to specify their position. One is in corner position and another is in the face center position. Now in case of diamond crystal structure, half of the tetrahedral hole is fulfilled by the lattice point. Now there are 4 atoms in the tetrahedral hole. Now you can think the tetrahedral hole by this way, like that the yellow colored cubic cell divided it by 8 similar cube, like that. And in case of diamond crystal structure, the half of the tetrahedral hole is fulfilled, that is the in case of this 8 cube, each alternating cube contains one atom, that is like that. 1 its alternating position, 2, 3 and 4, that is there are 8 cube in one unit cell, and there are 4 atoms, that is half of the tetrahedral hole is fulfilled and half is vacant. 4 cube are fulfilled by the lattice point, other 4 cube are vacant. Now why I divided the cube in 8, I divided the unit cell in 8 cube, because for FCC lattice the number of atom which form the FCC lattice is 4, that is the number of tetrahedral hole in case of FCC lattice is 8, that is 4 into 2, and number of octahedral hole is 4. How it is 4 and how it is 8 I will show you in another video. Now this is the complete structure of the diamond crystal, that is the FCC lattice, and half of the tetrahedral hole is fulfilled by the lattice point. Now to obtain the packing fraction of a lattice, in my previous video I clearly mentioned that we need to consider 3 factors. One is the what is the number of atom in the unit cell, what is the volume of the unit cell, and what is the relation between the radius of the atom and the lattice parameter. Now this structure is not simple as in case of FCC, BCC and simple cubic system. This is very complicated structure. I want to show you in simplified way. I don't know whether I can do it or not. Just see it how I do it. Just pick up 1 cube out of this 8 cube. Just pick up 1 cube. So the lattice parameter of this cube is a by 2. If the lattice parameter of this cube, this whole cube, this yellow colored cube is a, then if I pick up 1 cube, then the lattice parameter of that cube is a by 2. Now Now this blue colored atom is in the FCC position and the green color atom in the corner position, and the red color atom is in the tetrahedral hole. Now these four atom, that is the three blue colored atom and one green color atom, form the tetrahedral hole like this way. And in for this cube, the body diagonal of it is √3/2. In one of my previous videos, I show you how to calculate the body diagonal. If the edge length of a cube is a/2, then you can easily calculate what is the body diagonal of it, and its body diagonal is √3/2. And it will help us to obtain the relation between the radius of the atom and the lattice parameter. Now the in the body diagonal position, the green color and the red color atom reside, and they are reside in this manner. Actually they are reside in this manner, they are touching each other. So and this is in the position of half of the body diagonal of that cube, that is √3a/2 divided by 2, that is √3a/4 position. So if the radius of the atom is r, then r plus r 2r is equal to √3a/4. Now we have to calculate what is the number of atom in the unit cell. To calculate it, that is the 4 atom comes from the FCC lattice and there are 4 atom in the tetrahedral hole. So the number of atom in a diamond crystal system is 4 plus 4, that is 8. Now packing fraction is equal to 8 into 4/3 pi r cube into 100 divided by a cube. 8 for number of atom and 8 into 4/3 pi r cube, this volume occupied by the atom in the unit cell, and volume of unit cell is a cube, and by multiplying it in by 100 we can get the packing fraction of the diamond crystal system. Now by using the previous equation, that is √3a/4 is equal to 2r, that is a is equal to 8r/√3, we can get, by replacing a by 8r/√3, we can get the packing fraction of the diamond crystal is equal to 34%. That's all about the packing fraction of the diamond crystal system. Now if you have any queries regarding this video, please comment on it. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.